Hi, to Dr. Zen, I'm Dr. LB, and I'm here to help you through your math difficulties. Today, we look at polynomial long division. Polynomial long division is similar to division of whole numbers. If we look at 76 divided by 3, and we do long division on this, the way we've learned to do it, 3 goes into 7 2 times. 2 times 3 is 6. We subtract. We get 1 back. We bring down the 6. 3 goes into 6 5 times. 5 times 3 is 15. We have a remainder of 1. So this is 25 and 1/3. Polynomial long division is very similar to that. Instead, you're dealing with polynomials instead of whole numbers. Number 1, you want to arrange your divisor and the dividend in descending order. Number 2, divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. Write in the quotient. Number 3, multiply every term in the divisor by the first term of the quotient. Number 4, subtract the result. Number 5, bring down the next term in the dividend. And number 6, repeat until you get to your remainder, if there is one. You will know you will have gotten there if the degree of the remainder is less than the degree of the divisor. So let's look at a couple of examples. We're going to divide x squared plus 3x minus 10 divided by x minus 2. So we set this up the same way we did the previous example. We say x goes into x squared, or it may be easier for you to think about x squared divided by x. It's x. Then we multiply this x in the quotient by both terms in the divisor. X times x is x squared. X times negative 2 is negative 2x. And if you remember, at this step, we subtracted. But here we're subtracting this polynomial, so we're going to have to distribute the negative. And what that does is it changes the signs of both terms. So you have x squared minus x squared is 0. 3x plus 2x is 5x. You bring down your minus 10. So 5x divided by x is 5. So we multiply 5 times x is 5x. 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. We subtract. Remember to change the signs. 5x minus 5x is 0. Negative 10 plus 10 is 0. So we have no remainder, and our answer is x plus 5. Let's look at another example. 2x cubed plus 7x squared plus 9x minus 20 divided by x plus 3. So we have x plus 3 and 2. Now, one thing that we need to note that if there is a power of x that is missing, then you need to put a placeholder of 0 for it. You need all the powers listed in this dividend. So let's go. 2x cubed divided by x is 2x squared. So 2x squared times x is 2x cubed. 2x squared times 3 is 6x squared. We subtract. Remember to change the signs and do the circled operations. 7x squared minus 6x squared is just 1x squared. Going to bring down the 9x. X squared divided by x is x. So you multiply x times x is x squared. 3 times x is 3x. We subtract, change the signs. 9x minus 3x is 6x. Bring down your negative 20. 6x divided by x is 6. So we have 6 times x is 6x. 6 times 3 is 18. Subtract. And we get negative 38 as a remainder. So our answer is 2x squared plus x plus 6 minus 38 over x plus 3. So, remember that Dr. LB is always in. Please come back for more math help.